It's early morning and I'm already in Bagatelle. It's a shopping mall in Mauritius, and I want to spend my time in coffee shop because I need to be here for a long time till my car is in servicing. Very beautifully decorated shopping mall. So I want to show you when I'm going to coffee shop and I see nothing there which is keto friendly, what is my behavior? What I do next? Do I say to myself, oh, it's okay, once upon a time, it's okay, I can eat anything I want, even if it is not keto? Or I will religiously, very responsibly, will organize for myself keto meal. Even it is nothing available in cafe, in coffee shop, you still cannot give up on your diet. And you cannot just tell, oh yeah, I've been there, I had nothing with me, so I had to eat whatever is possible in coffee shop. So let us do this kind of experiment. I wish if we would be having some keto-friendly items, or people would be very conscious and they would order, like they would request sugar-free and carbohydrates-free food. But for the time being, such things is only dream. So when I'm coming to coffee shop, nothing of this I can afford. Nothing of those I will be able to eat. So what will I do now? Let's go and check. What about another cafe? Another coffee shop? Very cozy one. Let's check what they can offer me. Maybe one day when customers will be only asking for keto-friendly food, that is the time when food industry will realize that they need to have such options. Let's say anyone diabetics want to eat something here. They cannot do anything. And that's why they drink metformin and they eat whatever available, and they keep on having diabetes all their life. So what will I do in such case? I am going to go to supermarket and try to find any keto-friendly food there with which I can have some breakfast in coffee shop. Okay, usually people would want to go for some kind of bread or patisserie, anything baked to have in the morning with coffee. But let's see, will I be able to get anything keto here? Of course not. And nothing of this I am planning even to accept as a food. So I'm not going for that if it's not keto friendly. Any of this I cannot decide, okay, let it be only this time, and never mind, I will diet next time, this time I can eat whatever I want. No, that's not the attitude to achieve results. Even here I cannot find anything for being keto friendly. Even here. So I'm passing through everything which is not keto friendly, and I'm going further. I'm checking what is in my green list of my keto allowed food. Okay, maybe cheese, but this is a processed one. Let's see if I can have different cheese, which is a less processed. Here is a frozen things. Yeah, from here I can't eat also because it's all frozen. Now let me try to see in the side of cheeses. Okay, Okay, maybe here I can choose something. I pray there is any of my favorite cheese. I hope there is a duck. Oh, there is a duck in it. Can I have this one? Bonjour. Yeah, this one. Any of those cheeses will do. So I have the cheese and I'm vegetarian, so I cannot have coffee with regular milk. So I will be needing whipping cream. I can have a small one. I wish it could be more fatness in it, but it's only 35%. Never mind. Now let's see what else we are having here. This is uncooked one. Oh, macadamia nuts. And it looks like it's on promotion. So this is a nice option for me to have as a snack now. I hope it's fresh. Okay. We have protein bread here. Protein bread, which we can have in some small quantities. And then you have different bread as well, but it's not meaning that it is low in carb. There can be different kind of breads, but as by contain of carbohydrates, this protein bread is suit us the most. And again, all those cookies, even it's written sugar free, it may be still disturbing our inflammation. Okay, this is sometimes having some interesting options as a cheat option. Okay, so what is that? Okay, no, this is not. Once I saw something interesting. Okay, look at this. We have coconut cream, natural vegan coconut condensed milk, sugar-free chocolate. So look at this. You are having no any oats, and you don't have anything else than coconut. So these can be used either as a sometimes we may say to some extent keto friendly snack, not snack but treat. It's not a snack to eat often. It's eat sometimes. And among all the things I'm seeing here, this is the most suitable because it's having mostly coconut items. So this we can have once upon a time as a treat. So I'm back again to cafe where I will be ordering coffee, but now I have something to eat it with. So finally, what we have come up to, I ordered that coffee, which is just a Americano, which is black, and then I will be adding it my whipping cream in it inside. I'm not taking milk from the coffee shop. I will be mixing it with mine, and that's how we can manage ourselves in such situation to stay on keto or more closest to keto if possible.